everyone, it is Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to make it abundantly clear that yes, I am in a Star Laboratories sweatshirt. Listen, I just got home from work and I wanted to film, but I did not want to look cute. So I'm in a sweatshirt and leggings. And if you don't know what Star Laboratories is, then you need to watch The Flash. That's all I'm gonna say. So it is that time again, as I'm sure you can tell from the title, for our March Ipsy unboxing. Woo! So if you want to see what I got in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag subscription, then please keep watching. So this is the bag for this month. I have seen this on social media, and I think the idea behind it is they are wanting to have it almost so you can color in yourself. I've seen pictures on Instagram and stuff of people coloring them in, and I think that is such a cool and creative idea. So as normal, I am just gonna go by the products that I pull out of the bag immediately. And the first one has me confused. I have no idea what it is. They say hashtag Ipsy Create on them. But you know what? I don't think this is a makeup product. Guys, something you should know about me is even though I'm very much a brunette, I definitely have blonde moments. These are markers in order to color in the bag with. Duh. That's such a cool idea that they put markers in there for you. All right, the next product I'm pulling out of the bag is this Eyeshadow Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go. I have never seen a mascara shaped like this. I am going to unscrew it. Okay, so the wand is a fairly normal mascara wand then. It's just the tube is unlike any mascara tube I've ever experienced. I've never used anything from Eyeshadow, so I'm really excited to try that out. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the bright blue tube, I was like, oh, is this like some sort of eyeshadow or something? Or eye cream? I don't know. I was a little scared. I thought it was like a really bold color, and I don't really do well with bold colors, so I was like, oh, maybe we'll branch out of my box a little bit, but it's mascara. The next product that I'm pulling out of the bag is Free Matic Eyeshadow in 71 Lola. Now, I don't mind getting single eyeshadows in my Ipsy bags, but they aren't my favorite thing to get, if I'm being honest. I much prefer using palette eyeshadows. Like I like eyeshadow palettes over singular eyeshadows, hence why I have so many naked palettes, because they're amazing. But this color does look really pretty. It looks like it has a bit of a shimmer, like a purpley shimmer to it. Here's a swatch for you guys. It honestly is almost more of a mauve-y shade on the skin. I was thinking it was more of a purple, but you can see how it has that shimmer to it. And it's a bit more of a pinky purple mauve color than just a purpley color. See, this is why I don't like singular eyeshadows and Ipsy subscriptions, is it's like trying to fall out of its packaging, and I'm like, no, I need you to stay in there. Ooh, I don't know what this is, but I'm excited about it. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. So this is the Clarks Botanicals Overnight Retinol Cream. I am really, really excited about this. You apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed face and neck, leave on overnight, rinsing off any residue in the morning. It smells amazing, by the way. I've never used any sort of retinol cream before. I'm really not the best at skincare, if I'm being honest. I'm like so scared to splurge on that for some reason, which is bad. Like, I should want to because it benefits my skin, but this makes me really, really excited to try this out. Next, we have the Skin & Co. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. It says Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream is a highly concentrated cleanser formulated to renew dry and dull skin while providing extra care to sensitive skin, especially when removing makeup. This cleanser is formulated with essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. This sounds more high-end than any cleanser I own, so I'm very excited about this one. Alright guys, we only have one more product left. And it's actually not a product, it's a makeup brush. This is the SL Miss Glam Highlighter Brush. I'm actually a little disappointed that I got this just because I've already gotten this before in an Ipsy bag. It's a great brush. The one that I already have I use for highlighter all the time. And I'm sure I can find another use for it. And hey, you can never have too many brushes, right? Not to mention the glittery handle is just gorgeous and girly and I love it. Alright guys, so that is it for this month's Glam Bag. It seems like we actually have a lot of skincare products in this one, not a lot of makeup products. But I think I'm more excited about trying the skincare products than I am the makeup products, oddly enough. They seem very nice quality and very high-end quality, so I will let you guys know what I thought about those. Also, before we do anything else, I do want to give you an update on the products from the last Glam Bag in February and what I've been thinking about them as I've been trying them out. The pumpkin walnut facial cleanser that I had gotten, I have been in love with that. I kid you not, when I use that, it makes my face feels like baby skin when I use it. It is phenomenal. The lip balm that I had gotten, I also was in love with, and I kid you not, about a week after I had been using it and falling in love with it, my dog ate it. So I'm a little upset about that, but I did really enjoy the product while I had it. I will be honest with you guys, the Pacifico eyeshadow palette that I had gotten, I haven't used at all. I am just so much more drawn to my Naked palette eyeshadows and the good quality of those that I've been leaving that one to the side. The nail polish that I had gotten from Trust Fund Beauty, I love. It is gorgeous and it stays on very well. I did use a top coat on it, so that does help it stay longer, of course, but I loved that nail polish. And lastly, the dual in eyeshadow brush from Luxie that I got. I love all of Luxie's eyeshadow brushes and I love that one just as much. So I have been using it and I have been loving that as well. So I think that's about it for the review of February's Ipsy Glam Bag. I don't think I forgot any products. I was just kind of trying to do it off the top of my head. So if I forgot any, you can yell at me in the comments. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did like the video, and you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter if you would like. All of the links will be in the description. So thank you guys again for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.